5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
This is a DJ Red Loves on the mix.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to
This BGM Greetings is for Mr. Lemon. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day and more. Birthday and blessings to come.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to the most incredible person I know. Today is all about celebrating you, and I want to take a moment to honor the amazing individual you are. Your birthday isn't just a day on the calendar. It's a celebration of the unique and beautiful soul that you are. From the very first moment I met you, your presence has illuminated my life. Your kindness, your smile, and your laughter have an extraordinary way of brightening the world around you. You have a heart that overflows with compassion, and your warmth touches the lives of everyone lucky enough to know you. As we mark another year in your life's journey, I wish for you all the happiness, success, and love that your heart can hold. May your dreams soar to new heights, and may your days be filled with moments of profound joy and fulfillment. You deserve all the good things in life and more. I'm grateful for the opportunity to know you and to witness the incredible person you are becoming. So, on this special day, I hope you feel surrounded by love and appreciation, just as you make the world a better place with your presence. Happy birthday, and may this year be filled with endless blessings, unforgettable experiences, and all the happiness you so deserve.
At ngayon, ating pakinggan ang mga taong nakapalibot kay Mr. Lemon.
Peter Lemon, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy your day, Tito Lemon, today and every day. Wish you only the best for you. Happy birthday. And grateful for every moment with you has the many more memories together. Thank you. Dahil meron ako nakilalang titong mapanglait na sa tuwing mag-islat ako ay sinasabi, ayan ka na naman nene, ang hindi mo na naman ini. Sabay-sabay hindi ka nakaasarin kasi birthday mo ka. Happy birthday, Tita Lemon. Good health, and then we wish you all the best. Happy birthday again.
Hi Kuya, it's me, Kisses. Just wanna greet you a happy birthday to you. I wish you fulfill all your goals in life. More success, happiness, and peaceful goes to you every day, of course. Good health. Congrats anyway to your upcoming wedding to Ninang. And stay in love and strong lang kayo every day. And I hope you enjoy your day today. I love you, Kuya. Mwah.
Happy birthday.
Ayan, big shoutout sa Lemon. Happy birthday sa iyo. At sana mabang buhay mo. At bagi ka liingat, God bless. Keep safe, love you tol. Mama chup chup.
Happy birthday, Daddy Lemon. I wish good health, stay strong, stay humble, stay who you are, stay strong sa relationship ninyo ni Mami Pina, and ingat palagi sa trabaho, huwag magpagod, pahinga pag may time. More birthday to come, God bless, and once again, happy birthday, Daddy Lemon. Love you more.
Happy birthday, Daddy Lemon. More birthdays to come. Ingat po lagi sa work. Palagaan niyo po lagi yung sarili niyo. Kumain po sa tamang oras. At lagi po magdasal. Lagi po kayo magmahalan ni Mami. Tsaka Wish ko po is sana po lahat ng pangarap niyo po is matupad. Tsaka po thank you po sa pag-accept as anak-anakan niyo po dito sa Oppo, kahit dito lang po sa Oppo. God bless po and more blessings po, and I love you both.
Hi Daddy Law, it's me Shine na bumabati po sa iyo ng happy birthday po. I am forever thankful to God kasi nakilala kita bilang Daddy Law ko sa Oppo. Tumatayo bilang isa sa mga Daddy Law ko. Thank you Daddy Law sa mga advice na binibigay mo sa akin, and I pray to the God na mas lalo ka po niyang samahan, mas lalo ka po niyang bigyan ng lakas para harapin yung bawat hamon ng buhay, mas lalo ka po niyang ingatan sa iyong trabaho, sa araw-araw po na ginagawa mo sa buhay, and also I pray to God na mas lalo po niyang i-bless yung relasyon po ninyong dalawa ni Mami lang. I know na nagsisimula pa lamang po ang love story ninyong dalawa. Gawin niyo lang po laging sentro si Lord sa relasyon ninyong dalawa ni Mami lang. So ayun, Daddy Law, good health, and I wish you all the best in life. Once again, happy birthday po.
Hi Kuya Lemon, happy birthday Kuya. Sana more birthday and party to come in your life, and stay good boy palagi. And God bless po, and again happy birthday. Greetings from Tisay.
Happy birthday Kuya Lemon, stay healthy, keep safe always. God bless you.
May mga tao talagang darating lang sa buhay natin para may matutunan tayo, para maging malakas tayo, at para buuin tayo. Kaya kung naririnig mo to, salamat. Salamat dahil dumating ka sa buhay ko. Salamat dahil naging parte ka ng buhay ko. Salamat dahil binuo mo ko. At salamat dahil nung panahong nag-iisa ako, dumating ka para damayan at mahalin ako. Salamat.
Sana all.
Happy birthday para sa taong nagmamahal sa akin. Happy birthday, mahal. God knows na sobrang grateful ako for having someone like you. Thank you for choosing me, to love me. Even sometimes I make difficult for you. Kahit na minsan ang hirap ko intindihin, o hindi ko alam kung ikaw ang mahirap intindihin. Basta, you always choose to stay and talk about our misunderstanding. Sana, gabayan sana tayo ng Panginoon sa tamang landas. Palagi kong ipaparamdam sa iyo na kamahal-mahal ka at kakampi mo ako sa lahat. Huwag nang selos ha. Nandito naman ako palagi. Bawas-bawasan mo ang pagsiselos kasi hindi nakakaganda ng relasyon ang pagsiselos. Yun lang, at happy birthday sa iyo. I love you.
Let's tap into the uncharted depths of musical creativity. Stand proud at the top with 25K Music Factory.
Feel the love, feel the music. DJ Red Love in the mix.
DJ Loza on the mix.